In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro with Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through a simple, reliable flow so your collaboration runs smoothly from the very first click. Start by opening Miro and getting your board ready. This means signing in ahead of time, opening the specific board you want to use, and making sure it's organized for the conversation you're about to have. If you're facilitating, consider arranging content into frames, adding a quick agenda at the top left, and placing a few starter sticky notes or shapes so people know where to begin. Having everything in place before you share saves time and keeps the meeting focused. If your board is large, zoom to the area you want to present first so the audience lands exactly where you need them. Next, go to your Microsoft Teams meeting. Join the call a minute early if you can, just to confirm your audio and screen setup are good. When you're ready to present, look for the Share button in Teams. It's the icon that lets you share content with everyone in the meeting. Click it and you'll see a panel with different sharing options. From that panel, select the Miro tab. In many setups, Miro appears alongside other apps and tabs available for sharing. Choosing the Miro tab is helpful because it focuses participants on the board itself rather than your entire screen. If you don't see Miro listed, it can be due to how your organization has configured apps in Teams, so simply keep that in mind before your session. When you select the Miro tab, pick the board you prepared so it opens directly for participants. You can now see it's being shared. Teams will show a clear indicator that you're sharing, and the board will be visible to everyone. Take a moment to confirm that the view looks right, then guide your audience through the key sections. As you move, pan, or zoom in Miro, narrate what you're doing so people don't get lost. Keep your cursor steady when pointing, and use frames to jump to important areas without disorienting viewers. If participants mention they can't interact, that may be related to permissions set by your organization, so plan your session accordingly. Either present the board yourself or let collaborators edit if your setup allows it. That's it. Open your Miro board, head into your Teams meeting, click Share, select the Miro tab, and you're live. With a little preparation, this workflow makes workshops, planning, and brainstorming feel seamless.